So, oh shoot, USB pack. Oh damn, and a flashlight. Oh, that's sick. That's sick. That's sick. So, LED flashlight, USB pack, and like a bright LED right here and stuff. Fireproof, smart clips, ultra bright, and large starting count. Just showing you the company name, the address, and stuff. Open it over for you. Alright, bro. Other side right here. Everything else to put that in there. So they see now on it. So, review. Yeah. That's a little negative and positive. I'll show you a better detail on the trying to but I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah, I think something wrong. Yeah, I think something wrong. The back. The back had something wrong back right here. That's pretty heavy. Alright, so. Looking mad elegant. You connect, what is it connected? Right here? Yeah, it connects right here. Some USB ports, and then the other one's a USB-C. You can charge your phone and stuff. It has a little compass and stuff. It focuses. This is the brand that AC mount. Shoot, already comes charged. Can't really see on camera, but it's at 81. Turn on the flashlight. Hold it down and we'll turn on the flashlight, guys. You can see that, and then power it off. I think we'll just turn off after a while, but I'll give it all a check and I'll turn on next week. But it's pretty big, honestly. Pretty nice. Comes in that. It came in a little box and then it's up in here. It's pretty cool. Next clip I'll show you how it works out. There you can see the battery's dead on this one. So, oh wow. Flip it out the little thingy, and then where the thing's gonna connect is right here. Right there. Right there. Start it up right away. Start it right up. Put it on, and then start it right away. There's no time delay, nothing. Just take it right away. And that thing already came pre-charged also. So I'll leave the link in the description. That's the brand Acmount. But it was really helpful because I need that a lot because the truck's batteries die very often if you're using here and there. Mostly on mine. And then yeah. So that was pretty helpful to be honest. It started right when I connected it. The last the little light checked green, so it was good. And then came inside, put it on, and boom, it just turned on. So yeah, I'm gonna drop the link in the description. I go cop one yourself, so I recommend it. I loved it. It works perfectly. I needed it a lot for the other truck.